Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Xiaomi Smart Camera C300 to an iPhone. To connect it with your iPhone, you need to install Xiaomi Home app. You can download it from the App Store, so once you start downloading it, you can turn on your camera. So before turning it on, you should put a micro SD card sold separately in. So here's my own micro SD card. You should put it in here. If you can't see this slot, this may be because this lens is movable, and you should put it all the way upwards and put the card in. So let's put it in like that. Okay, now it's in, and then you should plug in your camera, because you cannot move the lens once the camera is plugged in, because it can decalibrate the sensors. So now I can plug it in, and once it's plugged in, you shouldn't move the lens anymore. So it's like that. And now let's click on open on the Xiaomi Home app. Then you should log in if you're not logged in currently, and click on plus. Then click on add device, then select video camera. Now scan the QR code from the back of the device. And now it asks you to reset your device. So if this light is blue, then you should press and hold this reset button right here for 3 seconds. And when it says
please wait.
When it says reset successfully, then wait until this light is orange. I've run into some issues before that it couldn't reset because I had it plugged into a wrong power brick, which was not supplying enough power. So if you have the same
Please
issue,
scan the QR code located on the label on the camera to enter the configuration page. Awaiting connection.
so when you have similar issues with your camera, then you should just plug it into a different power brick that will supply more power to it. And once it's done and it's reset, then you should click on device reset. Then select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect your
Awaiting connection.
you want to connect your device to, and it has to be 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and enter its password. I have mine entered already, so let's click on next. Then it will ask me to join the Wi-Fi from the camera, so I'm gonna click on join, and if it doesn't join automatically, then I should go into the Wi-Fi settings.
Awaiting connection.
I should go into the Wi-Fi settings of my device, of my iPhone, and then I should see the Xiaomi camera.
Please wait.
I should see the Xiaomi camera network, which I should connect to, and then it will work. So now let's wait until it uploads information to device, and then I should be ready.
Connected to Wi-Fi network successfully. Device paired to account successfully.
Now it will ask you which room your device is in, so I'm gonna click on create a new room, and I'm gonna create living room. Okay, so it's just set up in the app, so you know in which room it is. If you have multiple devices, you can also set the name. I'm gonna leave it as it is. And you can also enable or disable display large cards on the homepage. I'm gonna enable that, then click on next. And you can now invite your family members to use the camera together. I'm gonna click on do not share now, but there will be a video on how to share a device with your family members. So I'm gonna click on don't prompt as well. And now click on agree. And you can use the camera now. So there are gonna be videos on the channel on how to use the camera. So it just works now. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.